One of the downsides to living in the mountains is if you want to get some fast food or anything, it's going to be about an hour drive to get there. It's 12:30. We'll see what time we get back. But we're heading to Sonic to try a
Unicorn Slush.
Unicorn Slush.
And then we're going to see if they even have it, because sometimes when you're in a small town, they just don't have the things that you think they should.
A little bit of a gloomy day today. Overcasty. That's what we're dealing with weather-wise. There's the pups. And the other one.
They were all stressed out from the smoke alarm battery.
Yeah, the smoke alarm went off this morning. After we get out of the trees, it's a little brighter, but still very overcast. Hopefully we pass the rain today. No more rain. It's been rainy and damp up here last week almost. Only had like one day where it wasn't like damp and rainy.
Yeah, we're hoping to make hibachi for dinner tonight, so.
Yeah.
Rain or shine, I'll probably be making it.
On the Blackstone. That's what we're dealing with. A nice, gentle rain all day. Gentle rain. Yeah. There's our tiny movie theater on the left. We went to a couple movies there.
The Jesus is strong now.
Yeah, they definitely love their religious movies there. There's 3 religious movies and 1 actual, which is Thunderbolts, 1 actual movie. Took us about 20 minutes to get here, and we're pulling up to order. Is it doing her thing? Got the slushies.
Which one is the cream slush, guys? Because they both look pretty similar.
I think the lighter one's the cream slush.
Yeah.
But she didn't add ice cream to it, which I thought that's what a cream slush was. She just added some like cream stuff to it. It looked like actual cream.
Yep. So, also, they come with
Unicorn straw.
Which, the boba's still not big enough to go through this egg.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
So, that doesn't make any sense. But maybe it pops it as it comes out. I don't know.
Yeah, figure that out when we get back to the house. But now it's 1 o'clock, so it's already been 30 minutes just to get the food. Now 30-minute drive back. Living in the mountains.
Also, would you like a giant rooster? If so, Tractor Supply store has it. So this is the straw that they gave us. As you can see, the one end, pretty big, decent. This end, narrow as shit. Okay? No boba's gonna get up there. But
No boba's gonna get up there, huh?
The boba squeezed through.
Huh? Look at that.
The boba squeezed through, but you're only gonna get one boba at a time.
So the taste?
It tastes like a Pop-Tart.
What kind of Pop-Tart?
Like a berry Pop-Tart.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it tastes like a berry. It's very berry flavored. It's not grape. But yeah, I would say it tastes like a Pop-Tart. That's like the closest thing to it I can say.
Have you ever put butter on a Pop-Tart? It's so freaking good.
It is good. It's really sweet.
Is it sweeter than the other one?
I think so.
Interesting. No, I saw Bubba go up there.
It's not bad, but I think overall, it's very sweet. It does not remind me of the unicorn drink that Starbucks had like a decade ago that everybody called diabetes in a cup, which I'm a diabetic, so I can say that. But anywho, it's very sweet. So if you want something really, really sweet, go for it. If not, I would say pass. It's not their best look, but it is pretty to look at.
So it just tastes like berry. It doesn't taste like grape or anything?
Mm-mm, just tastes like berry.
Interesting. Okay.
Let's see what Gary thinks.
I'll give the cream one. I thought this was going to taste more grape because it looks grapey.
Grapey?
Yeah. Two bobas. Yeah, it's very berry. And it's like that fake berry. That's, I think, what she means by Pop-Tart. It's like that fake berry taste that you get from the Pop-Tart. Mm-hmm. I do taste a little bit of grape, though. Yeah, but it's definitely stronger on the berry. This one just almost tastes entirely fake berry. Like that, at least you get a little bit of creaminess to it, so it kind of breaks up the artificial berry taste. This is just pure berry goodness. So if you like that flavor, I would definitely recommend.
Would you get it again?
I don't know. Think about it. What do you think's dusted on the top?
It's like a candy. I don't think it's Nerds, but I think it's like it's some kind of candy. What does it taste like? Nerds?
It tastes like sugar with a little bit of seasoning in it. So it tastes like...
Oh, maybe it's like a colored sugar.
Yeah. And it's got a very slight hint of that berry, but it's not nearly as strong as the actual drink is. Overall, not bad if you like the berry taste. But if you're looking for something that's not super sweet, that might not be for you.
Well, now we're going to eat our Sonic.
Yep.
So stick around, because we're just going to hang out at home. Have a home day. Puppy 1. Puppy 2. She tried to escape when we got home. Was not successful.
Getting ready to watch The Handmaid's Tale. We put our screen up in the bedroom to watch it.
Yeah, I don't know. Have we shown you guys the room?
I don't think so.
So this is the room. This is our apartment.
Yeah.
Our studio.
It's our current room sitch.
But yeah, we put in a projector screen, and this is our projector from Vegas.
Yeah.
Because the room is really small, there's not really anywhere to put a TV, so we hung, and it's an automatic one.
Yeah. It's pretty nice. It works. It's a nice size screen. So we're going to get... Macy's got to catch up on her Handmaid's Tale, so that's what we're going to do now.
I purposely waited until almost all the episodes were out, because I hate waiting week to week. Also, side note, we're hiding from one of the neighbors, I think.
Yeah, small town living, y'all.
Yeah, they pulled into the driveway just as we were turning all the lights off to come in here. And I was like, I'm not really home. So.
Sometimes you just want to be antisocial, as my mom would say.
Yeah. My mom was a wise woman.
But we're going to watch some Handmaid's Tale. We also have Andor, I think, finished too, so we could watch that later as well.
Yeah. And then tonight...
Hibachi! We're excited. This will be our first time doing a full hibachi.
Yeah, we made the rice in the rice cooker the other day, because we bought a rice cooker, and so the rice is prepped, and then the meat is defrosting, because we got steak and chicken, and then we've got zucchini, mushrooms, and onions, and broccoli for the veggies, and I'll probably make some more yum yum sauce.
Yeah, it sounds good. Hopefully it won't be too overcasty, rainy. Hopefully that's done for the day. Nice to doing prep work. How's it going?
Prepping.
Prepping.
Yeah. The only thing I need left is to get the shrimp ready, and then we should be ready to take all of this outside to start grilling.
Nice working the grill. Somehow we're almost out of gas already. But,
Oopsies.
Hibachi time. So excited to do hibachi for the first time?
Hopefully we have enough gas to finish. I think we do. But we had to kind of like moderate our stuff a little bit, so.
Is this the same gas container for the seafood boils?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so it's not just solely been used on the Blackstone. Macy's showing off some skills. She's doing the egg roll.
Egg roll. Egg roll.
Egg roll.
And then I think they,
Look at that.
so. Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad for a...
So she wasn't doing the train though.
One hand.
Moving along.
One hand. So you can cook your egg in your rice and it will make your rice wetter. Or you can cook it outside and it will contribute protein to it. It's just, it'll be a little, not as like wet.
Good to know. Good to know. Macy's working on the meats. There's the fried rice, it's looking good. Veggies. Chicken steak. All she has left after this is the shrimp, and they're really quick to cook.
Mm-hmm.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just, you know, keeping an eye on my gas. Making sure our gas is where it needs to be. But I think we'll have enough to finish. So.
Macy's on her last step. She's just priming up them shrimp.
Ready.
We got the chicken, rice. We got the steak on the other side with the veggies. Little seasoning.
Used it all.
Oh, good for you. We got the steak and the veggies on the other side. We're almost done. We made it. The gas lasted long enough. Yeah. Last look before we start eating. There's everything. Looks good. I've tasted most of it for test tasting purposes. I'll taste it again. Chicken. Steak. Well, that concludes our hibachi journey. Sorry, this week's been really rainy in Georgia, so we haven't been able to get out very much and do much.
Yeah, it's been kind of a drab, but we did actually finish the hibachi, even though we ran out of gas. And it was kind of funny. We actually went and got gas after we cooked this, and it was a huge difference. So keep an eye on your gas levels, folks.
Yeah. Hibachi was really tasty. Mm-hmm. The unicorn drink was interesting. I don't know if I'd recommend it. It's very heavy on the sugar, and the taste
so
isn't
sweet.
If you like the berry Pop-Tarts, maybe give it a try, but honestly, meh.
It was a little too sweet, and I wasn't really a fan of the straws that they were giving out.
So we're getting ready to head down to Florida in a couple days, so definitely subscribe if you want to see our adventures down there. But we hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you for the next one.
Ain't that the truth? Baby Ruth.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.